Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I got the Leatherman P4 and we're going to do a quick review of this guy. So first of all, there's like 21 tools in this multi-tool from Leatherman. The main feature of this guy is that it's pretty cool, and it's like a one-hand operated. You can deploy all the tools, with one hand, like, the main 4 tools like this, and the internal tools like this on this side and like that on this side. So very, very fast mechanism. You have pretty nice Warncliffe blade on this side, straight edge, plain edge. The other side you have a serrated edge with a tanto tip, pretty cool. Then you have your scissors right over here, kind of beefy, so pretty nice. And on the other side you're gonna have your saw, like wood saw, very, very cool. Also, like this side offers like 4 tools, like in the like sandwich in between the two main the long blade, serrated, and the saw. And you're gonna have like a nice file over here with a little screwdriver, flathead. You're gonna have wire stripper hidden right over here with a ruler, pretty short, with a flathead screwdriver over here. Your awl, which is sharpened on this side, and just a little tiny flathead screwdriver, and can opener right over here, a little bit on the thin side for the stock thickness. The other side is just using your bottle opener and pretty thick Phillips head screwdriver over here, and this is going to be like your pry bar slash package opener, because this side is quite sharp, and another like flathead screwdrivers. This guy also has a pretty cool pocket clip. It's deep carry, and it came with this one. You open the tools like that, and boom, you have a pretty sturdy and heavy duty set of pliers with the replaceable hardened wire cutter insert right over here, so you're not going to be afraid to mangle this guy, because you can just easily replace it. So overall, this is a pretty cool multi-tool. It's the sound it makes, it's pretty nice. It's like a transformer, like changing shape. It's fast, it's smooth. I mean, you can easily deploy every tool with one hand, and the only thing is that in the open position, when you're going to be using the pliers, you're going to have a little bit of hot spots right over here because of the nature of this magnetic locks. And in the closed position, when you're going to be, for example, using the saw, you're going to have quite some hot spots coming from the handle shape, because it's not really chamfered on the outside, but nonetheless you might want to use gloves to do some more heavy tasks, just to protect your hands. But overall, yeah, it's a pretty neat, fun and quick to use multi-tool. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to watch the full review of this guy. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned.